means everything. You know, retired in peace and quiet, a morning of happiness. I'm only coming down here since I retired. Now, when I come down as a child, we could swim where the houses are. You know where Clonagale is? That was all the beach. And there was the Cockle Lake. And when the water would drain away, it created a lake. And when the water would be draining, the sun would be on it and it'd be lukewarm. So we all swam in the Cockle Lake. We don't like it, but they're okay, you know.
But you get in regardless.
Of course, yeah. When they see the algae in the water, you can see it there. But that's a natural growth. When you get the sunlight, you get the algae. Because when they let the water out, when they have cleaned it up, your urine is full of nitrate and phosphate, or not phosphate, phosphate. And that accelerates the growth.
What's it like when you get in here, say, in the days after a spillage? Do you notice anything, or?
No. See, there's 2 tides a day. It flushes itself out. Like, what can you do until the new extension is finished?
You'll still go swimming?
Yeah.
How long do you stay in for?
I'll be only in about 10 minutes because I had a quadruple bypass 15 years ago and I'm on tablets to thin me blood. Means everything. You know, retired in peace and quiet, a morning of happiness.
And those spillages won't bother you?
No, it still get in.